When you're spending a lot of time managing data in Excel, it really pays to learn some shortcuts for performing common tasks quickly. Everything I'll mention in this video can be done slowly and intuitively using the editing ribbon at the top of your Excel window, but let's talk about how you can perform some of these tasks without having to waste time clicking through the multiple button options up here. So, here are some of the most basic shortcuts: copy, cut, paste, and undo. There are two sets of shortcuts here, one for PCs and one for Macs. PCs and Macs use a different keyboard key to tell the computer that you're trying to use a shortcut. As a general rule of thumb, for PCs, whenever you are trying to use a shortcut, you'll hold down the Control key and then press your shortcut key. Whereas for Macs, you'll usually hold down the Command key and then press your shortcut key. The four shortcuts in this video are so common that they use the bottom left row of keys, the keys closest to your Command or Control buttons. To copy, you hold down Command or Control and then press C. To cut, you hold down your shortcut key, again either Command or Control, and then press X. To paste, you hold your shortcut key and press V, and to undo, you hold your shortcut key and Z. So let's show some of these shortcuts in action. Let's imagine a case where I want to make a copy of the names in column A and then paste them into column B. I would select the names from column A. Here, I did this by moving to column A, row 1, holding down my left mouse button and dragging my mouse to the very bottom of the column. Once I have the names I want to copy highlighted, I could use my shortcut. Since I'm on a PC, I'll hold down the Control button and, while still holding it down, press the C button. You can see the moving lines around my highlighted group. This tells me that the group has been copied. Now to paste, I would click on whichever cell I wanted the group to be pasted. Here, I'll click on cell B1. Then I'll use my shortcut for paste by holding down the Control button and pressing V. Let's say I made a mistake and I wanted to undo this last task. Maybe I wanted to paste the group in column C instead of column B. I would quickly undo the last action by holding the shortcut key, Control on PCs and Command on Macs, and pressing the Z key. This will automatically undo my last action. Now, I can go to column C and paste the group of names. Okay, one last note. With copy, you see that the original group of names stays in column A, and we make a duplicate group of names in column C. But let's imagine we didn't want to make a duplicate column of names, we just wanted to move the names from column A to column C. Here, we could use the cut shortcut instead of the copy shortcut. So we can cut the names from column A and paste them into column C. To do this, we first have to select the group we want to cut. Before I showed you how to use your mouse button and drag across a group, but now let's imagine we wanted to cut the entire column. Here, we can just left click on the column we're interested in highlighting, column A, and Excel will automatically highlight the entire column. Now it's time for our shortcut keys. To cut, we hold down our shortcut button, again minus Control, and we press the X key. Again, you can see the moving dotted lines around the column letting us know that Excel has stored this column and is ready to move it. Then we can click on the cell where we want to paste the column and hold down our shortcut key and press V. And here we can see that the group of names was completely cut from column A and pasted in column C. And one more time, if we made a mistake and wanted to undo that last action, we could use the shortcut for undo, which is Control or Command plus the Z button.